I'm Callie. I run Vet Physiophile and I am a veterinary physiotherapist. My practice is based in Surrey and I work mainly with horses, doing sort of spinal rehabs and rehabilitation from either post-surgical or pre-surgical cases or performance-related cases too.
How did you hear about Indiba?
So I first heard about Indiba when I was at uni, and my lecturer said that Indiba was one of the best electrophysical agents out there. And if she said that to me, then I thought I would just listen to her, excuse me, my lecturer. And she arranged for the uni to have a demo one day. So we had a demo and we had a horse with really significant back pain come into the stands, into the cross ties, and it's probably even to this day the most significant case of back pain that I've seen. And the horse was obviously very uncomfortable. So we used this horse as a case study for the Indiba treatment, and it was after sort of 10 minutes of treatment the horse really started to relax, started yawning and releasing, and it was a much more significant release than I'd seen from like manual therapies or even other electrophysical agents. So it was really useful to see, and I thought that's quite nice. And then as we were swapping over to the second part of the treatment, the horse did a downward dog stretch in the cross ties, and I remember thinking that is probably the best release I've seen from any animal, and I thought that I wanted to be able to replicate that in my practice. So that was when I came across Indiba, and I realised how effective it was, not only for sort of musculoskeletal pain but also for improving the behavioural and quality of life of animals.
How do the horses react initially when you're treating them with Indiba?
So it depends, either goes one of two ways. You have horses that kind of relax really quickly and straight away feel the relief of the treatment. And you have horses that you can see they're munching away at the hay net and they go, oh, that's changed. And then all of a sudden they're like, oh, this feels really nice. Every single horse, I've yet to have one horse that has not liked the treatment. They all fall asleep, they all find the benefits, and it's always like a really nice deep heating effect. So I always have horses that respond so well, and they're always much happier with a smile on their face after treatment.
And in terms of the kind of short, mid and long-term benefits, what are the sort of those tangible benefits for you?
So from a physiotherapy perspective, I want to achieve pain relief, but also in the long term, I want to be able to make sure that the function of that musculoskeletal system is at optimum. So in the short term, you're able to promote pain relief and inflammation reduction, and that's enough to then get the cascade of events so that you're able to improve performance in the long term. So in the long term, what I want to be able to achieve is a healthy and happy animal that's able to achieve whatever level of work they're at, whether it's at a happy hacker level or if they're going to the Olympics. So it's really important for me that they're able to be not in any pain, but also to be able to, still be able to enjoy their life. So achieving muscle relaxation, improved joint range of motion, muscle extensibility, just the general function of the musculoskeletal system is really important.